Welcome to Dolika. This educational video will cover the category Outdoor, which will consist of wild animals, beach photography, sports, night city view, fireworks, bugs and flowers, wedding ceremony, landscape, waterfall, and sunset. One of the most important products we'll be using in this category will be a Dolika backpack. This is mandatory for any outdoor location. And also a sturdy Dolika tripod.
Hello everyone, today we are at a beautiful location. As you may notice, there's a waterfall behind me. So we will be shooting with different setups with lower and higher shutter speed to see what the outcome of the pictures are. Shooting outdoors, I highly recommend using a Dolika backpack and also a Dolika tripod. Just like every photography session, you should use a lens cleaner. Today we are using a Dolika lens cleaner. To avoid lens flare, we always recommend to use a lens hood in front of your lens. To create a special effect, you can shoot in two different modes. First, with a high shutter speed, and second, with a very low shutter speed. Today, we are using 1/8 of a second for our shutter speed, and our aperture is at f8. You can always go ahead and shoot the waterfalls from different angles. Shooting outdoors, always protect your lens with Dolika UV or CPL filters.